Registered Office Address Change, simplified by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. Your registered office address is more than just a location. It's your company's official identity in the eyes of law. Whether you're relocating, expanding, or restructuring, updating your registered address with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, is mandatory. At Filings Corner, we handle the entire process, seamlessly and compliantly, so your business operations never skip a beat. When should you change your registered office? You'll need to file for a change in address if you're shifting to a new office space, expanding operations to another city or state, undergoing mergers, acquisitions, or restructuring, updating for compliance or administrative ease, types of address changes, and legal process. We handle all scenarios, from simple intracity moves to interstate changes. 1. Change within the same city, ROC jurisdiction. Documents required: O board resolution, O address proof, utility bill, rent agreement, NOC. MCA filing: O form, INC 22, O MGT 14, if special resolution is passed. 2. Change to another city, same state, same ROC. Additional steps: O pass a special resolution, O file MGT 14 within 30 days, O update address via INC 22. 3. Change to another state, different ROC jurisdiction. Comprehensive process: O board and shareholder approval, O file MGT 14 and INC 22. O apply to regional director via Form RD1. O receive new certificate of incorporation from ROC. Don't worry, Filings Corner handles all of this for you. Legal and business considerations. Changing your registered address means updating PAN, TAN, GST, import-export licenses, informing clients, vendors, banks, and regulators, updating company stationery, invoices, letterheads, websites, and signage, ensuring compliance with ROC, MCA, and RD, if applicable. Why choose Filings Corner? We offer end-to-end support so you don't deal with the paperwork, stress, or delays. Board resolution drafting and legal guidance, MCA form. Filing INC 22, MGT 14, RD1 ROC, and RD liaison. We follow up so you don't have to post-approval support. Update your business documents and records, 100% compliance guarantee. We do it right the first time, affordable, fast, compliant. We offer custom packages for intra-city address change, interstate or ROC jurisdiction change, address updates as part of mergers or restructuring, no missed steps, no rejections, just smooth execution. Update your business address with Filings Corner today. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to update your registered office address quickly and legally. Filings Corner, compliance simplified.